Excuse me, hi there. Sorry to bother you, but I think I'm a little bit lost.
Oh, hey. No worries at all. You look like you're searching for something. Where are you trying to get to?
Well, I'm trying to find the subway station? Central Station, I think it's called? I mean, I have it on my map, but I got a bit turned around.
Ah, Central Station. Right, okay. Yeah, you're actually not too far off, but, these streets can be super confusing if you're new to the city. It's like a maze around here.
Tell me about it. I've been walking for 10 minutes and I feel like I'm just going in circles. Everything looks the same, you know?
I totally get it. I still get lost sometimes myself. So, okay, here's the easiest way to get there. See that big bank over there? The one with the bright green sign?
Oh, yeah. I see it. Like, right across from the little park?
Exactly. So, you're gonna want to walk down this street until you hit that corner. Then, you'll take a right. Just a right at the bank.
Okay, so, go straight, then turn right at the green bank. Got it.
Right. And then, you'll walk past a few shops. There's a really cool vintage store there, by the way, and you'll keep going until you see a massive fountain. It's really hard to miss.
A fountain? Oh, wow. Is it, like, a big one?
Yeah, it's pretty huge. You'll probably see a bunch of people taking photos there. When you get to the fountain, you just go left. Central Station is literally right there. I mean, you'll see the big S sign for the subway immediately.
Ah, I see, so, right at the bank, then straight to the fountain, and then left?
Spot on. It should only take you about, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 minutes if you walk at a decent pace.
Oh, that's not bad at all. I honestly thought I was miles away.
No way. You're almost there. Are you heading somewhere specific on the train? Like, do you have your ticket or a transit card already?
I actually don't have one yet. Is there, like, a machine inside the station where I can buy one?
Yeah, there are plenty of machines. But, sometimes they're a bit finicky and only take cards or exact change. It's kind of a pain, honestly.
Right, okay. Well, I have my credit card, so that should be okay, I guess?
Oh, for sure. That'll work. Just look for the day pass option on the screen. It's way cheaper than buying a single ticket every time you want to go somewhere.
That's a great tip, thanks. I'm still trying to figure out how everything works in this city. It's a lot to take in.
No problem. It takes a while to get the hang of it, But you'll be a pro in no time. Are you meeting someone?
Yeah, I'm meeting a friend at the art museum. I think it's at the, North Plaza stop?
Exactly. That's just 3 stops away from Central. Just make sure you hop on the green line heading north. If you end up on the blue line, well, you'll be going the complete opposite way.
Oh, wow. Okay. Green line, north. I'll definitely write that down. I mean, I don't want to end up in the suburbs.
Haha, definitely not. Although the suburbs are nice, but maybe not today, right?
Right. Not today. Anyway, thanks again for your help, Alice. You've been a lifesaver.
Anytime. Have a good trip on the subway. And, watch out for the crowds. It's almost rush hour, so it might get a bit tight in there.
Oh, boy. Right. I'll try to be quick. Thanks again. Take care.
You too. Enjoy the museum.